Hey everybody, welcome back to another Nature's Always Right video. Today I've got a super big announcement for you guys about the future of my channel and the content that I make surrounding tour videos and the in-depth interviews that I do on my channel. So you may know that on YouTube, unless a video gets tens of thousands or hundreds of thousands of views, creators really don't make much from a video. You know, you can expect anywhere from $2 to $5 every 1,000 views, and when you take dozens of hours to make a video, the payoff at the end really isn't very big. And the way that YouTube works, you know, a shorter, more concise, or more entertaining video are the ones that get a lot more views and therefore money. Now, I love making my tour videos, and I've been able to film some great tours and a couple places in the country when I've traveled for other reasons, but I could never actually make a trip to go get content in any areas for YouTube because I just can't get enough views from videos like that. So here's the big announcement. Now I'm going to be able to travel and get this content with some of the best farmers in the world. So some of you may have heard of Curtis Stone, the urban farmer. I don't know if you haven't heard of him and you're watching me, I don't know how you haven't seen his content, but you know who I am. But he is somebody who has really helped to pioneer the small-scale market gardening space. I really recommend his book. That's one that really helped me take my small-scale farming to the next level and become super profitable. And he has a private website called From the Field, and that's where he puts a lot of his curated, super in-depth, more advanced tours and interview content. The stuff that just doesn't do as well on YouTube because it's 45 minutes in length and gets a little bit more nerdy on some of those details, which a lot of people on YouTube are looking for educational content or more entertaining content, and this is really more high-level educational content. So I'm now working with From the Field to create content. So what this means for the future of my YouTube channel is I'm going to, of course, continue to be doing all my educational tutorial style videos. I'm still going to be doing tour videos, but many of these tour videos, you're only going to see a portion of the video. The rest will go up on From the Field. So what this is going to allow me to do now is go visit some super special farms, even travel different places in the country, even the world, to be able to make content for you guys. So this is a really exciting opportunity for me to be able to make videos that I could never make, that I was just dreaming of making, but I can't make enough money from YouTube to be able to travel there to go do it. And now I'm going to be able to. So I just can't wait. I'm actually in Thailand right now, just on a personal vacation with my wife, and then we're going to be going to South Korea to visit her family. And as part of that trip, I'm going to go visit Young-Sung Cho, who created Jadam Ultra Low Cost Agriculture. I already created an interview video with him I made about 6 months ago, which it'll either be live on my channel now or very soon that you'll be able to see, to introduce you guys to the Korean natural farming style and what all that entails. You may have seen me mention a little bit of that on Instagram or some of my YouTube videos, but we're going to be going a lot more into depth on Korean natural farming and Jadam ultra low cost agriculture this year on my YouTube channel. So that's one of my first interviews that's going to be up on Curtis's site. My first videos from Curtis's site are including my friends in San Diego who do Fred's Urban Farm, which is the first video that I'm going to be putting out on my channel, showing you guys a little bit of what that content will look like on From the Field. But Fred's Urban Farm is doing a really cool microgreen setup that I've never seen before, where they're not using 10-20 trays to do a majority of their microgreens. And moving forward this year, a lot of my content in 2020 is actually going to be videos that I've made from my Lemon Grove urban farm plots. So there's going to be tons of market gardening and natural farming tutorials that'll be coming out this year, as well as some of these more curated tour videos that I will be making for myself and as well from the field. So I hope that gets you guys excited for what's coming this year, and I'm going to have the ability to make a lot more interesting content now working with From the Field that I'll still be able to put on my YouTube channel. So if you'd like to sign up From the Field, I'm going to put a link down in the description below. You can go check out the site. And there's a lot of big things coming to From the Field that we can't talk about yet, but there's going to be an incredible amount of value on this site coming in the future. There's forums and other ways to interact. We're trying to create an online community there, and really just the best content surrounding the regenerative agriculture space in general. So definitely go check that out. If not, all of my content will of course still be free for everybody on YouTube.